Hey there everyone. If you are looking for that particular app that can help you to record your screen in macOS, not only that, it also let you stream in your favorite stream platform like Twitch, YouTube and many other. And it should run without lagging. Let's say if you are using your Mac in 4K resolution monitor, then you are at right place. In this video, I'm gonna talk about an app that gave me flawless experience with my Mac Mini M2. The app that I am currently using is Streamlabs Desktop. Now, people who know OBS, they may think that, oh, this is the derivative of OBS, and OBS generally feel laggy when we record our screen, especially when our basic Mac is powering 4K resolution. And in my case, there are two monitor 4K resolution. So one way is we can utilize the built-in screen recorder, which is inside QuickTime player. So you need to open QuickTime and then you can click here on new screen recording. And then here we have got these three options to record from and also to choose from which mic we would like to use. But what I found that is sometimes we face issue with processing the video of QuickTime, especially when you are using Premiere Pro as an editor. So the best way to record your screen inside macOS is using Streamlabs Desktop. And the good thing is, if you just want to record screen, it is absolutely free. You just need to open internet browser and then here you can look for Streamlabs. Now, if you click on it here, you will see there are different plans. But we need to go with this free one. Let's click on Streamlabs Desktop. And then I don't know why it is coming by default in German, but you should get a good idea of this one is talking about Apple Silicon, this one is talking about Intel processor, and I believe most of the people have this macOS Silicon, so they can go with this one. And that's how, guys, the download process will start, and then installation is pretty straightforward. Simply make double click on it and install. So this is really one of the best screen recording software available. If you are facing issue, I think this is the software that we should go with. And here also you can see I am also using it. So all you need to do here is you need to click on plus, and that will add new screen. And then from here, you're gonna see there are so many different sources available. If you want to record a specific window of a software, you can use this Windows capture. If you want to share your entire desktop, you can use this display capture. Then there are other options. For example, if you just want to capture your screen, or you want to, even capture your browser. And then we also do have other options like audio input capture, video camera capture, and so on. Now let's also talk about the audio option. So in order to configure your audio settings, you need to go here on mixer and then click here on settings, and then go to properties. Here you would be able to select your audio device, and then you have further more advanced options that you rarely find even in paid software. So this software is that great, guys. And if you want to buy this primarily for streaming, then probably their paid version makes more sense. So in that scenario, you definitely should consider their paid plans. And especially in case of streaming, you're gonna also see there are so many cool looking overlay also available that you also can create by yourself, or you can utilize these ones. So that's all from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful, informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to the Mac Essential for more such tips and tricks that will help you to elevate your macOS experience. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.